There are two brush caps that secure your tool's motor brushes. The plastic caps thread into the brush holders to hold the brushes in place. Most problems with the brush caps occur when they are being removed or installed. If a cap is over-tightened, the slots for the screwdriver could be stripped or cracked. Over-tightening can also cause the entire brush cap to crack in half. It is easy to cross-thread the cap and damage its threads. Replacing the brush cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush caps. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the brush cap. Now I can install the new brush cap. I'll place the cap over the brush and tighten it with the screwdriver. I like to turn it backwards until I feel the threads engage, and then tighten it up. Now repeat this process on the other side. And that's how easy it is to replace the brush caps on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.